Hi guys, today we're going to talk about S&P 500 index, like what is going to happen. If you see the last session is 6096 and it had been increased, where in 5 days given return around 0.96% from it started with 6039 and it's been moved to 6096. Where in a month the return is 1.55% is good, where in 6 months the return is 13.84, where YTD return is 27 and 1 year return is 32.84. The returns looks very good. These are the sectors were up like consumer and the communication sector, where IT is also growing. Like in a month, if you see, it is given a 15% return, and reach all the company we can see here in this. Like we have Amazon, Tesla, and all the consumer Nike, and then Starbucks, Sony, then um, MCD, McDonald's. These are the companies that are given good return because this sector is giving gaining in that. Rest, if you see like other sectors, like in 1 month, energy has not given any return. Like last session, utility, healthcare is still going down, dragging down in a month. If you see, it's a 3 month. Like healthcare, whichever company are there, Johnson Johnson, all are not giving any kind of return in this sector. Like healthcare is still falling, and it's supposed to be get corrected, but still it is going down. Where the real estate sector is just hardly just given in 3 months given it a 0.33%, where consumer is also 0.46, not even a one digit. Then material sector and all like energy is okay. In 3 months, if you see all the good sectors, like these are the sectors, IT and financials, these are still they are giving a good return. So these are the stock which the more is that the IT is going to get correction and going up. So focus on the IT sector currently. If you see here, the S&P has given a 0.25% return, where now the S&P is in 6090, where it was up by around 6099, about to be touching 6100, where the VIX of is 12 points. It is a bottom, like it started with 13.62 and it's been down by 5.6769, and it's currently at 2.77. So hardly there is any gap for the more downtrend. Where these are the companies are given a good return. If I show you in a month, like in a week also, top performer of S&P 500, where these are like you have a microcomputer, then you have Estee Lauder, Tesla, and Netflix, GoDaddy, United Airlines. So these are the given like more than 10% return, IBM and all in a month. Where if you see in a week, like if so Dollar Tree is given a good return, where Adobe is giving a return. Like last session it was about 2.74, and last week it was till been a week 7.18, and in a month 11.78. So focus on these all the stocks currently. These are the good stocks, and only look for a good stock and a blue chip like Booking is like Las Vegas Sand, hotel chain, given a good return. Like it started giving a good return, I can say that. John Deere it will fall but in month is given 12.79 return. Walmart is still giving a good return, so focus on that. Now, if you see like how thing goes with the technical aspect of this index, if you see still going up and about to be touching 70 now, RSI. From 70, there could be two things now is going to happen. One is that it could be fall, the RSI could be fall from here and it go down. Then there is could be a correction in the market. Like if you ask me how what are the corrections I can expect, I can at least expect a correction of around 1.9 or 2% correction in a short term. If still it will go up, so definitely if they still is if the trend goes like this, suppose if it still goes up like it happened before, there could be more like 2.5% market can go up. So currently market if you say is around 6,100 about to be touching, and 2% it will go up 122, like it could be 6,222 around. So from my prospect, market will still be look positive and it will go up. If you see the VIX of S&P 500, what is indicating that if it is VIX is still going down, if you see it is already crossed its bottom, I made a scale line like 13.14 was the bottom I was expecting, but it still is going beyond that. When it's going beyond that, like market is too going up, it's all time up and VIX is all time down. And if there will be a fall in coming days, like it can go still market look positive from here, because if you see the 5 year trend line of the RSI of VIX, still is 37 the bottom, and it's currently at 44. So moreover, still look like market will go up around 2 more percent. But if there will be a correction, so make sure there will be a heavy correction going up, going to come up. So make sure you should be ready. Like the correction will be there around. At least I'm expecting 10% correction from this level. So if you see the last session, there was a correction from 5,600 is straight away there was a 10%, 8 to 9% correction. So if the correction coming up, like make sure you will be getting at least 10% correction at this time. And the Monday the session going to up, we're gonna see. I think there could be a positive trend in the market. It could be a positive sign. It could be a positive, and then later part coming session like after Wednesday could be there will be a fall in the market. Well, that's for today. If you like this channel, do subscribe. All the best for your investing. And if you're putting your money in S&P, all the stock you're buying, I would be saying you should be booking your profit currently is all-time high now. Thank you for your time. Thank you.